Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for anyone looking to capture their adventures in stunning detail. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the GoPro LIT Hero, a lightweight, compact, and waterproof action camera that's designed to elevate your photography and videography game. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or just someone who loves to document life's adventures, the LIT Hero has features that cater to a broad audience. First up, let's discuss its standout qualities. The LIT Hero is incredibly user-friendly, making it the perfect entry-level GoPro. The simplified controls allow you to easily tap and swipe between video, photo, and slow-motion modes. This means you can jump right into capturing your moments without the frustration of complex menus, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. One of the key features of the LIT Hero is its rugged design. It's waterproof up to 16 feet, or about 5 meters, which means it's built to withstand various environments. Whether you're skiing down snowy slopes, splashing around in a pool, or exploring nature on a rainy day, this camera is ready to capture the fun. Its legendary GoPro durability ensures that you won't have to worry about it getting damaged during your adventures. Now, let's highlight the built-in light feature. The LIT Hero comes equipped with a built-in light that is a game-changer for low-light situations. It has 3 brightness settings, allowing you to illuminate scenes that need a little extra glow. This feature is especially useful for nighttime adventures or indoor settings, enabling you to capture stunning visuals even when the lighting is less than ideal. Plus, you can use the light even when the camera is off or while it's charging, which adds to its versatility. In terms of image quality, the LIT Hero truly shines. It captures Ultra HD 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that your footage is not just high resolution but also incredibly fluid. This high frame rate allows for smooth playback and the ability to create slow-motion videos that are twice the normal speed, adding an artistic touch to your content. On top of that, it can take 12MP photos, and if you're using the GoPro Quick app, you can even extract 11MP photos directly from your videos, making it easier than ever to get the perfect shot. So, who is the GoPro LIT Hero suitable for? If you're a beginner looking to break into the world of action cameras, this model is an excellent choice. It's also perfect for parents wanting to capture family outings, travelers documenting their journeys, or even YouTubers and social media influencers in need of reliable equipment. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a backpack or even a pocket, making it convenient for on-the-go shooting. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Picture yourself at the beach, capturing a stunning sunset while your kids build sandcastles. Or imagine hiking through a dense forest, using the built-in light to reveal hidden details in the shadows. You might even be at a concert, recording unforgettable moments with crystal-clear audio and video thanks to its stabilization technology. The possibilities are endless with the LIT Hero. In summary, the GoPro LIT Hero is an excellent compact action camera that combines simplicity with advanced features, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Its durable design, impressive image quality, and built-in light ensure that you'll be ready to capture any moment, day or night. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't